SupplyChip is the AI co-pilot for inventory and purchasing. We cut stockouts, free up working capital, and automate the boring daily buy decisions. The promise is simple: less firefighting, more foresight, and a calmer, more profitable supply chain. You know the pattern: storage costs from slow movers, lost sales from stockouts, and plans stitched together with Excel plus gut feel. Teams work heroically, but the system is reactive. We're here to replace guesswork with a steady, data-driven loop. Dead stock is a silent margin killer. A meaningful slice of inventory goes obsolete, locking cash and shelf space you need for winners. Our first lever is rotation. Shrink idle stock without starving availability, so capital returns to the business. Stockouts don't only dent revenue, they dent reputation. When a customer can't find what they want, they may not come back. Consistent availability stabilizes sales and lowers churn, so your marketing spend isn't patching operational holes. Transport, warehousing, handling, cost compound. If buying isn't precise, the whole chain pays a tax. Rush orders, excess safety stock, unhappy teams. Better forecasting and smarter replenishment reduce that noise at the source. ERPs are strong systems of record, but they're reactive. Big end-to-end suites promise magic and deliver timelines and licenses. What's missing is a lean learning layer that adapts to your data and turns planning into an always-on process. SupplyChip is that layer. We forecast demand per SKU location, right-size safety stock, and generate purchase recommendations continuously. Think of a 24/7 analyst tuned to your rules, connected by clean APIs, and focused on measurable outcomes. Three outcomes drive everything: predict sales, optimize inventory, and recommend the next best buy. In practice, you see tighter baselines, smarter reorder points, and weekly buying lists that reduce emergencies and stabilize service levels. Automatic restock proposals you can approve or auto-apply. Natural language Q and A on your operations. Real-time alerts only where attention matters. And fast ERP integration, so the data flows without custom plumbing or 6-month projects. We start with key SKUs and locations, backtest on your history, and launch a focused pilot. You'll see deltas quickly: fewer urgent orders, clearer lists, calmer warehouses, quick wins first, then scale intentionally. Data is plentiful, margins are thin, and the cost of manual planning compounds every week. Automating the plan-buy loop is no longer a nice to have. It's the fastest way to defend margin. Competitors are modernizing. AI-assisted planning is moving from pilot to standard. Standing still means gradually losing availability, and with it, share. This is the moment to catch up, or leapfrog. Models and tooling improved dramatically. What once required big teams now fits small, focused deployments. That's the window. Practical AI that matches your stack, data, and tempo. Transport volatility, labor constraints, and capital costs make inventory mistakes expensive. Reduce noise at the source. Buy smarter, earlier, and only what's needed. Everything downstream gets easier. Every month without automation leaks value. Lost sales on some SKUs, cash trapped in others. Even modest improvements in both often fund the project, and then compound. We begin where complexity pays off: industry, construction, distribution, healthcare, and retail. Different sectors, same mechanics. Forecast, optimize, automate. If you move physical product, you'll see lift. In pilots, you'll notice fewer fire drills, smoother replenishment, and visible slowdowns in dead stock growth. Over time, the forecast baseline improves, raising rotations and stabilizing availability. Finance will see it in working capital and write-down lines. We measure value through three lenses: higher inventory turns, better margins from smarter buys, and team time back from manual planning. Instrumentation is built in, so gains are clear and defensible. Supply chains don't need to be loud to be effective. With SupplyChip, your planning layer becomes quiet, predictive, and automated. Your team gets clarity. Your customers get product availability. Your finance team gets cash back. SupplyChip is the AI copiloto for smarter logistics decisions. Forecast sales, optimize inventory, automate purchases, fewer stockouts, less dead stock, better margins. Let's build it together, now.